Welcome back, Shark Squad. We're going to be doing a top-down analysis on GBP USD. We're starting off here on the daily chart. So let's just mark up our support and resistance zones here. It's very important that we mark it up. Let's get our zones. Let's start at the bottom here. That's a key level, right? That's a key level. Actually, that's a demand zone. Price has not come back to tap it since September 20, Friday, September 23rd, 2022. Price has not reached this level on a daily time frame. Let's get out another zone, looking for levels that have been tapped into multiple times. Another demand here. We haven't gotten a zone yet that have been tapped into multiple times. So this will be demand. Let's see, we got two taps here. So we have support and a demand zone and a double bottom. Okay, let's get another zone right here multiple times. It doesn't have to be perfect. Everyone draws their support and resistance levels, but it's just the key area that we're looking for a reaction when price gets there. So you look to the left, always look left. We have multiple taps here. Let's stretch this across. I would say right about here. So price right now on the daily. Okay, let's get like another zone here. Okay, let's get another zone right here. I see price been reacting here a lot. Tighten it up. All right, price been reacting there. See, price pushed up, kind of like consolidated, pushed up again, formed another support, pushed up, and that's on our daily. So once you get your daily time frame key levels marked up, what you want to do now is hop down to the 4 hour. So you hop down to the 4 hour, and you can look to the left and look for past price action on the 4 hour. If you're swing trading, 4 hours is a good chart to swing trade on. Set and forget type of setups. And we have here on the chart 50 moving average and a 200 moving average. Those are the only two moving averages I trade with. They separate the sell zone from the buy zone. So in this area here, prices above the 50 and the 200, this would be an uptrending market for that time being, right? Just trend line is kind of tight, but see the price came up, touched it, went up, held it, then it broke structure and started to head down. It did not, the 200 did not hold price. It broke down, retested, broke down again, right? Intraday traders, you go down to the 1 hour for entries. See, down to the 1 hour, and you see price has been trending down right in this area here. Price below the 50 and the 200. So how I would trade this is I would wait for the market to make a move, pull back, basically like a break and retest, right? Price was respected right here. And we got another push down. So we're trending. So what happens is I go all the way down to the 15-minute time frame to do a quick scalp. All right. So as we noticed on Friday, this area here, price was trending down. You look to the left, price was trending down here. Look to the left, price is trending down here. Look to the left, price is trending down, right? So let me remove these drawings. Clean it up a little bit. Leave my moving averages on there. And bring this out a little bit. As you can see, price is trending, right? So we went from the top down all the way from the daily 4-hour, 1 hour. Now we're on the 15-minute looking for entries. Here you can catch amazing scalps because of the time frame. This would be considered scalping, but for me, this is just my setup. I'm not really a scalper, but you can really get out of the market really fast on this time frame and collect a huge amount of pips, right? So let's just see how I would have traded this. All right, so we have movement. Let's go back from let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's just start for the week, right? Let's start for the week here. Let's start Monday. So this is Monday. I'm gonna highlight this area. This is Monday. All right, Monday, what happened? Market was chopped. Only one opportunity was right in here where price made like some double tops, right? Double tops right here. Very, 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 very tiny tops, consolidation, very messy, and push down, right? Let's just measure what we would have got there. So you took the short here, put your stop loss right about here. You would have got a 3-to-1, 3-to-1 risk to reward on that one. Yes, 3-to-1 on the scalp. The next day, what we got? Market is trending, so the moving averages, price is not quite below the moving averages. To be sure, I would say. And in hindsight, now that we're looking at it, it looks kind of easy to identify. But this would have been very hard, I'll be honest. But the push up, and then right at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York session crossover, boom. Stop right here. And the most we would have got out of this day was close to 4-to-1. 3.87 it says, but I'm pretty much sure it's 4-to-1. So 4-to-1 on this day, right? Next day, price breaks, retests, short position. See, right in this area here, it would have been hard to catch it because of this big news candle. So the next trade, you have to wait for the next trade setup. So that would be right about here in this area. Stops behind here. This would have been ending up in a 2-to-1. Yeah, 2-to-1 on this one. So we move on to the next day. Price is still trending. Keep looking left. We notice the price is below the 50 and the 200. Price pushes up in Asia. Gets trapped between the 50 and the 200. Pushes down. This one I don't like, but you could have took that one. Look to the left. You see this area here. See this area here. That's where price rejected from. Right? So that's a double top. That's resistance. That's being respected. Price pushes down, and the one that I like is the one right here. So this could have been my short. Up, up, push down, break. And this one ended up in, what is this? What this ended up being? This one ended up being a 2-to-1. Another 2-to-1, 2.28. Price, look left, look left. We see that price is still trending down. Price pushes up again in Asia into pre-London. And we get the big London breakout. Price respecting the 50 and the 200 still. Stops right there. This one ended out in close to 6-1 on that one. 6-1 on that one. So that's our GBP USD top-down analysis on how I would have traded. Just looking for the trend, draw a trend line, put 2 moving averages on. 50 and the 200 is the institutional moving average. So I would trade with those 2 moving averages. Looking to the left, looking at price action, looking at the type of candles, formations that have been formed to get your entry into the trade. But we must start on the daily, go down to the 4-hour, 1 hour. If you want to swing, 4-hour, 1 hour could turn into a swing as well with a good entry. If you have the patience to hold your trade, it can turn into a big swing. So usually I'm looking for a lower time frame entry that can turn into a swing. So if I get an 80, 90 pip move on the day, I'll just hold it, trail my stop loss, protect profits. We always have to protect profits. Yeah, so holding my trades depends on how big of a move I get. I don't like to hold a trade into the next day and price is coming back on me. You know, I'll shut it down really quick and just wait for another setup. I'm always looking to swing, but if it's not there, I'm not gonna hold it. I'm not gonna watch price come all the way back on me. I'll just shut it down and wait for another entry. But if I get an entry on the small time frame and it gives me a 6-1 and stuff, just close it out. You know, why leave the profits on the table? You could be done for the week. 1 to 2% per week is perfect. You know, at the end of the month you got your 8%, even 2%. So 2% for the week, you're looking at risking maybe about, I would say, 1/4% risk. You get 0.5%. You do that for 4 days and you have 1 losing day, you get like, I would say 1.5%. If you have 5 winning days, you're gonna have 2.5%. So that's good risk management, you know. And by the end of the month, you pass the prop firm challenge. It's just patience, you know. It's just patience, waiting for your setup. Do you have the patience for them key levels to take action at a key level? You know, we're looking at the smaller time frames and we may want to jump in before time, but it's all about patience. This game is about patience. The market will pay you to have patience in the game, guys. I can't say it no more. There's no other way around it. Now prop firms are in our favor now, I would say. No time limit, so there's no reason to rush. You know, I would say get a big challenge. Like, I can't say that because everyone's finances is different. The money that we can risk and invest, but you can start off with the $50 challenge, get a big payout, $500 or so. You know, reinvest into 100K. Most 100Ks are around $500, and then scale up again one more time, get a nice big payout, get 5,000, and then, you know, invest into the big 400K, you know, and do that across multiple prop firms. Also, guys, I'm going to drop a gem. It's not really a gem, but it's just an idea. Like, get different prop firms and different brokers, right? So each prop firm, pick a different broker so you can have them all up on your screen at one time, right? And you can manage them separately with different brokers. So if you're on 8 cap at one firm, the next firm Think Markets, the next firm, they have their own platform. You know, it's good to diversify the brokers as well. That was just an idea. Yeah, guys. So I hope you guys have a good trading week. This is FX Shark here with a top-down analysis. We're signing out. Shark Squad. Be safe. Manage that risk into next week. And stay tuned for more of these videos coming every week. Chart breakdowns. Have a good one.